I study at Central St Martin's, jewellery design, and I'm staying at IQ Highbury. This is my bedroom. So this is my lovely big bed. I'm so happy to have a double bed. Huge wardrobes and my desk. I've got so much space for when I can come and work at any time, whenever I need. I've got the courtyard literally down here so I can see when my friends are there. I'll spot one and I'll run downstairs. I've got my pin board. And a nice big bathroom. So yeah, it's great. Got my little rubber ducky. Very grateful for a big shower. It's always good. I'm gonna take you to my kitchen. So nice big kitchen. Me and my friends come and chill. It's really lovely to eat and yeah, it's nice and bright. I really love it in there. It's really sociable as well. Yeah, I get on really well with all my flatmates, so yeah, it's good. This is the gym. Huge gym space. So much equipment. I definitely don't come here as much as I should. But it's great for those days that you just want to feel good and energized. And then we've got a tiny little, not even tiny, studio space here for boxing. And this is the common room. So we've got a nice little seating area. I can come meet my friends for drinks and food whenever I just feel like getting out of the flat. Great seating area, table tennis, computers, everything. It's really great on the line because the Paris, which is really nice, it's fun. Kind of sheltered as well, so you don't get too much rain and stuff. It's good, yeah. Nice little rocking chairs for when you need to relax. And then, loads of books, loads of resources. And the best till last, we have cinema room, which is amazing. You can literally kick back with your friends and watch your favourite films.